In this guide, I'm going to show you how to install a Google Play app on a Firestick using an APK. This is Miguel from Just Boz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First, make sure the app is not already available through the Amazon App Store. To do this, go to your Fire TV home screen and select the search option right here and search for the app. But if it is unavailable, what you can do instead is search for the app named Downloader. Once you've searched for it, go ahead and install this app right here. And once it's downloaded, you're going to want to open settings. To do this, hit your home button and go to the three line menu all the way to the left and select settings. Then go down to My Fire TV and choose developer options. If developer options is missing, you'll want to select About, highlight your Fire TV device's name, and press the select button 7 times. But once you do that, developer options will be enabled, so you can go back to select it, select Install Unknown Apps, and turn Downloader on. And once it's on, you can actually just go ahead and open Downloader, enter the direct address for the APK from the app developer or another trusted source, and download the file. Select Install when prompted, followed by Done or Open. Only install APKs you trust. Some Google Play apps require Google Play services, touch screen controls, or phone-specific features and may not work properly on a Fire Stick. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.